Morning, guys and people from Halong Bay. It's around 8 a.m. in the morning, and we're cruising here, making a day trip. I forgot exactly where, but you can enjoy the view here of the picturesque and tranquil mountains here in front of me. Yeah, enjoy.
And that is a result from the erosion. And that is the reason we try to go slow like this, so you see something about that rock. And right now, when you look back, that bottom it will be small like that. And you have to tell you when even when it's like a more low tide.
So now we are here in Halong for the bicycling tour. Well, let's see what is expecting us. What a stunning view. Whoa. What for a beautiful sound from the epic bike. Hello, these little fishes are eating vitamins for our feet. It's very ticklish for me for the first second, but after a while you get used to it.
And it still like that happened until nowadays. The woman always right, and we are the men. We should know about that. Alright, so everyone, that's really short information about the man, about the woman, about the Buddhism in the Vietnam, and something about choosing, something about the fun fact. So now it's time for all of you try to discover the area in a few more minutes. Because you stay here, try to hear something about the Vietnamese. Yeah, and see something about.
Sorry, excuse me.
We'll be taking you around for whole our village for everyone.
Oh, stunning view.
Enjoy with your scenery. The bicycle.
Some stunning buffaloes, mighty buffaloes. Joe. Whoppa. Yippee, yay! Hoopoo! Hi. So go and speed me down. Oh, oh, yeah. Yep, that's great. Wow, what a view. Look here to my right. What a stunning view. Good job. Oh, want to jump directly into the water. Oh, these temperatures here. Oh no. Return to the beautiful building site here on Halong Bay. Like a sandpit, a big sandpit. Nobody's playing, also nobody's working. Maybe they're off, I don't know. Looks here, somebody seems to sleep here on a... Oh no, it's just a boat. Oh. Oh. Okay, coming. So, come on.
Okay.
So now we are here to dine, I think. Oh, it's delicious. I'm excited what is expecting us. So welcome back to this time from Halong Bay in Vietnam. I'm currently here on a 5-star cruise that's driving us around to show us what the bay is offering. And let's have a look into it. So we see here some other boats that are cruising through the sea of Halong Bay. There are also lower classes like 4-star, I think also 3-star classes. 5-star. I stumbled. Somebody is here having a nap. Hard working guy. He's not very diligent. It's like the restaurant without the buffets. Later here it will be served. Xin chào.
Đâu vãi là bộ thâm vũ à.
It's like a gym, some barbells. This is the pool, like you see, kids are playing here. Welcome. Sorry, I didn't catch it before. What's the next time? At 5 we are meeting on the top, or where exactly?
Yeah, I'm trying to remember now. So it's at 5 o'clock. There's kayaking, or no, there's swimming,
Swimming, yeah.
and then
Already up here, bread, some kind of yogurt, sushi, fruits, pineapple, mango, I think, apple, watermelon, some kind of bread with some paste. Yeah, looks incredible. The main dishes. Really interesting to see what is in there. Oh, mushrooms. Oh, shells. Squid. Chicken. What's going on here? once again, it's me walking Miho. So here we are in Halong Bay. Now it's became dark. As you can see in the background, maybe when I switch the screen you will see some mountains. So let's have a view how it looks like. Here we see those ships.